Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. And I'm Rachel. Okay, so right away we're going to give it a thumbs up because this is going to be something you're going to like. I'm going to make a blueberry crumb pie. Blueberry crumb pie. So the pie crust I had in the freezer from when I previously made pie crust. If you want to make yours from scratch, just go on my channel, Grandma Ray Don't Play, you know, and put in pie crust. And there you go. I'll show you how to make the pie crust. If not, you can buy some ready-made pie crust from the store, and let's pick up with at that point, okay? Alright, so let's do it. Thank you. Appreciate all you guys. Love you, love you, love you. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. I'm waiting to welcome you, okay? And if you really, really like the video, not only give it a thumbs up, but share the video to your friends and family. Alright, let's do it. Okay, I have a bag of blueberries, organic blueberries, no sugar added to the package. That's my latest thing. I'm buying everything that says no sugar added if I can. Okay? Alright, and I believe the bag was $2.99. Alright? So, and it is, how much is the weight? It is 12 ounces. 12 ounces. So here's our 12 ounces of blueberries. And I have here a half a cup of brown sugar. So you see, by not buying something that has sugar, I can control how much sugar I'm putting in something, okay? So we're going to do that with some vanilla. If I can see some vanilla. There we go. Vanilla extract. Let's put about a teaspoon. That's about a teaspoon. And we're just mixing the blueberries up with the brown sugar. Coating it so that the sugar dissolves with the blueberries. And when I took the blueberries out the bag, I made sure I did not include the juice. The juice I threw away because I didn't want it too watered down. Okay, so here's the pie crust that I rolled out. I put it in the oven for less than 3 minutes just to harden up a little, so that it's not too hard. I can still push down. You see it, I can push down on it pretty good, right? Alright, and so that's called pre-cooked pie crust. Alright, now that I've added, oh, my cinnamon, what am I doing? I need my cinnamon. I'm going to add some cinnamon. Remember, seasoning is your choice, how much or little. That's what we're looking like. Okay, so now we're going to put that right into our pie crust. Okay, now that we have our blueberries in the pie crust, the pre-cooked pie crust. Oh, and I pre-cooked the pie crust on 350 degrees for about 3 minutes. Okay, that's what we're looking like so far. Now, we're going to make our crumb, which is flour, melted butter or margarine and brown sugar. So I have a 1/2 cup measure and I have a cup of flour here. Okay, so we had a 1/2 cup of sugar with the blueberries, right, that we just did. And so now we're going to have I think I better go a 1/2 cup. Okay, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar in with the flour. I'm going to mix the flour and the brown sugar together. Now on the stove here, this is a pot that Roger gave me. Thank you, Roger. I have 2 sticks of margarine melted. I do not intend to use the 2 sticks. So I'm going to pour what I think is about a stick first. And we're going to do baby steps, mix it a little at a time. And what you're looking for it to do is gather together, but it's sort of going to be thick. I'll show you how thick we want it. Okay, that looks good. Now I can mix it with my hand. Yeah, that was definitely about a stick of margarine. Okay, let me show you. So you can see it's pretty thick, right? Pretty thick, okay? Alright. So now you're going to take it. And this is going to be your topping for the blueberries. And you want to break little pieces and drop it on the top. Do not drop it all in a big, like a big amount. You want to spread it out so that you're covering the whole thing. So let me show you what I'm doing so far so you get the idea. Okay. Make sure you get around the edges because you do want to cover the blueberries. Try to see where you're missing some. There we go. Now we're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees until the top is brown, okay? And I'll show you that. Okay, let me wash my hands, put that in the oven, and give you the word of the day. Let me give you the word of the day while our blueberry crumb pie is in the oven. Time is running out. No more excuses. You've got to get busy. As my grandson said on a video that we made yesterday, you guys got to go check that out. That was an awesome time we had. And he's a realtor now, and he can sell you a house, or he can sell you a house, or you can purchase a house through him in Massachusetts. And he also has a YouTube channel called Darius Welsh, telling you about financing and how you can access more credit and all of that good stuff. Anything to do with finances. So go over and check him out, Darius Welsh, okay? Alright, and as he say, quit playing. That's his statement, quit playing. Come on guys, quit playing and get it done, okay? That's the word of the day. Okay, we'll be back. We're waiting on our pie to finish cooking in the oven. Thanks. Okay guys. Here's our blueberry crisp pie is out. Look at that. I can't eat it because it's hot, of course, right out the oven. So I'm going to give it a chance to cool down. But you make yours and try it and let me know how you like it, okay? Please give it a thumbs up. The most important thing about this dish is how you make that topping. That is really a deal breaker because you don't have to worry about you need another crust. And the top of it is going to be nice and soft and chewy, not hard. You're going to really like it, okay? And it brings something to the blueberries or whatever kind of fruit you like, okay? Alright, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Bye-bye.